Hi and welcome to the Felix Clinic YouTube channel, and today I'm going to kind of bring you just some food for thought about a topic that I've been thinking about, and that is how mental health issues are becoming more and more rampant within society. And I do think this should be a cause for alarm, right? Because mental health issues aren't fun and they're uncomfortable and they make people feel like they can't manage. And I recently read Bessel van der Kolk's book, The Body Keeps the Score. So I'm very proud of myself for reading. It's a very long book. I've written my review and I've linked the book on my website, so you could read that if you want my take and you want to see if it is a book that you would maybe like to read. But of course it's 10 out of 10 if you want, a recommendation here. And he mentions in the book how, medication, physical tablets and medication for mental health issues have not caused a decline in mental health issues. In fact, it's increased them. And in this video, I'm not coming against the drugs. I'm not coming against those. I'm really just kind of thinking about that. And it's worrisome, because I think what it's showing there is that somewhere along the line, as more generations develop, there's a missing link where, what's going on. And what it makes me think is that, the human body and the human mind is such a complex instrument with which, we go about the world, right? And I don't believe that these drugs are completely in harmony with that. And I think they can help people feel better, and I'm really not here to discuss that topic. I'm more just here to discuss healing, and I don't believe that is organic healing. I think organic healing takes place when people's subconscious is addressed. And that can sound quite extreme, but then we find clinicians like Gabor Mate and Bessel van der Kolk who are accessing knowledge on trauma, for example, and how that has a very direct link with mental health issues. Because when somebody goes through a traumatic experience, it affects the mind and the functioning of the mind, or has the potential to. And if this person ends up having symptoms which can be likened to certain mental health problems and certain disorders, then it becomes a worry, and they are a patient. They become a patient. And these drugs are available. But I think there's a lack of a holistic approach with physical medication. It's the chemical straitjacket, as it's called. It's the chemical straitjacket. It fits everyone, one size fits all, right? And I personally believe that human beings we're fundamentally the same. But when it comes to our healing path and our healing journey and our healing past, right? What we've been through, what our body's been through, what our minds have been through, we are so vastly different. And we've got so much of our own programming and so much of our own ways. And that's beautiful. And I think the chemical straitjacket is treated in a way that it is given a certain treatment, I think it's seen as a approach, which it is, but I think generationally, is it the best approach? No. I think if people could be given more holistic treatment, which focuses on their past and focuses on them as an individual, then more organic healing can take place, and then those people can create kind of a domino effect where more people have a different, more holistic treatment. And that might sound a bit vague, but what I really mean is that I think that true healing is organic healing. And the pill isn't organic, it's man-made. And I don't think all man-made things are bad, wholly bad. I'm using a man-made machine right now and it gives me so much connection with the world, and I'm able to make this video. But it's an interesting topic, and it just shows that Western medicine, we're seeing the flaws with the Western approach to mental health. And my opinion on healing the body, the mind so far, and what I know, and I'm sure there's plenty I have yet to learn, is that we all have such our own journey. And I think when you approach the journey with this straitjacket, I think there's a bit of a disharmony there. And I don't think it's the ultimate healer. I don't think so. But I also understand how the path can be hard and things can be difficult to handle. So I have loads of compassion, obviously. But I think I'd like to see, as the generations continue, I think I'd like to see more focus on people being more educated on maybe what causes mental health problems, or more holistic ways of treating mental health problems. It's not really my lane, mental health issues, personally, in a big way. But practices like yoga and meditation, for example, can be incredibly beneficial. And things like that, which I've read. So it's just kind of food for thought to me. And it really does kind of align with my views on how on how I think everybody is very individual and everybody has their own journey, and to treat any patient as anything less, I think, is a mistake. But there we go. That is just my food for thought for today. So check out my website if you'd like some more content from me, or just subscribe here if you like these videos, because I'll be bringing more to you very soon. Alright then, well, thank you for watching, and have a great day.